going on, guys? And today in this video we're doing something completely different to this channel. Speaking of my channel, you can see here I have my channel up, and the first couple videos you can see everything I do is gaming related predominantly, but we're doing something different. As you guys know by the title, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your camera not showing up in OBS. I have this happen to me a lot. It's been very frustrating. I've been trying to look up everything how to fix it. I can never find something really definitive on it. Until I just took matters in my own hands and kind of figured it out. It's really simple. All I'm going to do is unplug my camcorder and plug it back in. I'm going to do so right now and show you that it works. So, I don't know if you can hear me because I am kind of far away, but right now I'm unplugging it and come on, plugging it back in. Alright, I just plugged it back in, but the camera is still off because that's just how it works. OBS was running, so what I'm going to do is close it, open it back up, and my camera should be back on. So let's take a look. Alright, there we are. All I did was close OBS, open it back up, and bravo, it was fixed. Just like that. I don't know if this is going to help everybody. All I know is every single time I just unplug my little camcorder, or webcam, whatever you want to call it, plug it back in, we're good. I could be the easiest fix in the world. Maybe it just works for me. Hope this video worked out for you guys. If it did, drop a like, share it around, because I haven't found anything to like permanently fix this. Although this isn't a permanent fix, it's a lot easier than going through your settings, changing your 920 1080 to 1280 720, and then there's so many different things online, and all of them are complicated. Just unplug it, plug it back in. It should work. That is it for this video, guys. Peace.